The 60th annual Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show continues. Time to hand out the hardware for the best of show. Now, this year, the judging panel was a list of celebrities, including Fort Lauderdale resident and 2014 Indianapolis 500 winner Ryan Hunter-Reitz. And they were judged on elements like innovation, design, technology, and styling. Now, the hardware is, now for the second year, this beautiful trophy designed by Derek Jenkins, renowned industrial artist. So we've got one question to ask. Townsend, who's going to get it?
Well, Lee, it's been a day of anticipation as our judges have carefully walked the docks to look at all the finalists, and it gives me great pleasure to let you know that the Majesty 140 is this year's winner by unanimous decision. And I'm joined here by Greg Taraglio, the managing director of Majesty Yachts USA. And Greg, I know there's over 1,500 skilled workers back in Dubai that are responsible for this amazing creation. You must be proud of all of them.
I'll tell you, they do a great job. They work real hard. I'd like to thank Notice and Wasim, my partners. We also sold our first 100 Majesty to Chris Prasad, and he's here. So it's been a great show and a very big honor to get this award.
Well, it certainly is, and there's no surprise from any of us. We'd like to thank our expert panel of judges for taking the time in the hot sun to walk the docks and decide again that the Majesty 140 is this year's winner, the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show Best of Show Award winner. Lee, back to you.
Thanks, Townsend. Wow, that is a magnificent boat.